Your clients are already booking cleaning for the holidays, but the question is, are they calling you or your competitor? Every year, cleaners miss out on thousands just because they wouldn't send a simple postcard. So I'm going to go over a simple client marketing strategy that can help you capture all of your past clients and get referrals from those very same clients. So let's hop right in. I have helped hundreds of cleaning companies fill their schedules for the holidays, and I've routinely seen that just one postcard can change everything to fill your schedule. So I'm going to show you some examples and kind of show you how this whole system works. First and foremost, a postcard in the mail is the only real sure way that you can actually reach the person, probably the person that hired you for cleaning, because usually that's the person that checks the mail. And the holidays are one of the best times to do this because right now a lot of them are thinking about cleaning, and it's a good time for you to join in the conversation in their mind, which is usually the holidays. So we would send out a postcard, something like this, and in this case we're letting them know that we're here for them before and after cleanup. A little bit of a whimsical, kind of funny postcard about Santa tracking up the carpet. But on the other side, it's important that we add this type of message. So we're going to talk about the real big benefit, which is what they want, making their home look great for the holidays, right? And we're letting them know that they can give their friends this postcard, which promotes referrals. Also lets them know that they need to call right away because our schedule does get busy. We want a fully booked schedule weeks in advance. Sometimes we would tell them to call 2 or 3 weeks in advance. And we would also give them a light special offer and tell them to give their friends this postcard. Now, we usually don't give away the farm. I mean, usually it's free cinnamon deodorizer that we spray in a corner or add to our cleaning solution. But not very much of an offer, just something to let them know that we're thanking them and they get something extra for calling from this special. Now, we would also take that same type of message and put it in an email. Now, inside of my coaching club, I do have dozens of different email templates. This is one where you can copy and paste a picture. You can also copy and paste the text with the same type of a message. So get what's going on. They're getting a postcard in the mail, and then they're turning around and they're getting an email. And then you also want to give a text message even at the same time. And text messages are something that we can help you with too. We can send them for you for anywhere, usually they're about 1 to 3 cents per completed text. So all three is what I recommend. Don't just do one if you love your past clients. If you want them to come back, do all of them. So here are a couple other examples. This is a rug cleaning example similar to the other postcard that we had looked at before, and an email newsletter example. And here's another neat concept because we had an area rug cleaning shop. So we quickly found out, and if you've been in business for a while, you realize that business slows down December 20th, right? And then it stays pretty slow unless you do something actively normally until the end of February. So we would have a special offer that would only be good after December 20th, and it would usually expire at the end of February. That would tell them that they could get a free rug cleaned if they brought it to our shop. Now, we would sometimes require purchase, sometimes we would not, kind of depending on the year. The important thing to note is that we're not giving away like odor rugs with urine or anything like that. We're also not cleaning wool or silk. It's just a regular synthetic type rug. And it usually brought in more than just the one free rug. Normally, if they're going to bother to come in, we wouldn't go out to their house. Unless we were there doing a cleaning job, then we might clean it there or pick it up, or kind of depending on the situation. But basically, they had to come to our shop to get the free offer. Normally, they brought more than one rug, so it was a great thing. Here's another postcard that we've got that's just simply a gift card, and it gives $25 off their next cleaning. Here's a Thanksgiving postcard that's kind of neat, the same before and after cleaning concept with the free cinnamon deodorizer. Now, also talking about every door direct mail, there are ways where you can market to neighborhoods to be able to get cleaning jobs in neighborhoods. We've got a whole new package about that right now to be able to get cleaning jobs in high-end neighborhoods. And so every door direct mail are usually large postcards. Here's actually an example of not a holiday one, but an example of one. So you can kind of see how big they are. So those were always a really, really great thing too. Here's another example of a gift card, email, newsletter, copy and paste the picture and put this in. Now you can either take the text here, copy and paste it into Constant Contact, whatever email software you use, or we actually have software that you have access to for free to be able to text and email your past clients. So we give that to you if you're part of the coaching club. So here's another postcard where we're giving them, again, the big benefit that they're usually thinking along the lines of is they want to make a good first impression. Their carpet looks bad, their tile, their upholstery, their home, if you do general cleaning. Your job is to come in and give them the big benefit of making a good first impression. It's letting them know, as far as carpet cleaning, that most people look at the floor. Their floors have to look good. The home has to look good. And again, a light special offer on the other side. This is another version of the rug cleaning offer and another Thanksgiving turkey offer. Guests are coming. Are you ready? And again, just a well wish for the thing that's going on, which is Thanksgiving. The holidays are going on. Here's a Happy Holidays puppy postcard, another EDDM direct mail postcard to neighborhoods. Let's see, another Merry Christmas postcard with Happy Holidays with a gift credit that they can only use between December 20th and February 28th. I always love that offer. Another Thanksgiving postcard about making a good first impression. And here's another one, which just basically at a family sitting around and enjoying clean floors and letting them know that we're here to help them do that, because that's what we want to be here for. And again, email newsletters with copy and paste templates, etc., etc. And then, of course, we do have other postcards for different subjects, water restoration, upholstery, for other times of year. So here's how all of this works. You come in and you pick out a postcard, whichever postcard you want to send, and you fill out a free graphic design. If you're part of my coaching club, once per month, you get a free graphic design where we'll actually go in and customize that postcard, put in your logo, your company contact information. If you want to change the special offer a little bit, we'll do that for you for free as well. No charge, once per month, as long as you're part of the coaching club. The coaching club link is right below this video. If you don't want to be a monthly member of the coaching club, it's no problem. We do have another option for a one-time $250 fee. We can do the same thing where we customize the postcard for you, get you the final graphic. And here's the thing, whichever the case, whether you're in the coaching club or you have the graphic done as a one-shot, one-time deal, the graphic is yours. You can either print it wherever you want to print it, on your own printer, anywhere that you want to print it, or if you'd like, you also have access to our printer. We're brokers for some really large printers, and almost always, as part of the coaching club, or if we do the design for you, we can get you some of the cheapest printing imaginable that you can get online or anywhere. So typically, this is an 8.5 by 5.5 inch postcard. We can print these for you for around $120 for 1,000. That's full color, glossy, beautiful, thick postcards. Here's actually an example of one of them. Just a thick, nice, glossy postcard. If you wanted a smaller postcard, the smaller version, 4x6, we can print 1,000 of those for you for as little as $68. Both of these prices are also, in addition, add sales tax and shipping. Shipping's usually pretty reasonable. 1,000 of the larger postcards, I don't have one of those pulled up, but maybe something like this, or maybe a little bit smaller than this, usually are around $180 to $140 for 1,000 of those. So we can print those for you and either have them sent to your shop or your home, or we can actually have the printer mail them directly to your clients for you, label them, stamp them, use their bulk mail permit so you don't have to have one, so you're sending them for less postage. It's a win-win. For example, the 8.5 by 5.5, if we're sending 1,000 of these, it's usually going to be around 45 to maybe 46, 48 cents per home. That includes labeling, shipping, printing, handling, postage, stamp, everything, all out the door for less than 50 cents in most cases. So click the link below, check out the details. I highly, highly recommend right now over any other time of the year to send something to your past clients, communicate with them, don't let them forget you, make sure they're not calling your competitor. Click below, and I'd love to help you touch base with your clients and get a full holiday cleaning schedule.